Some important MCQs. The Kat Pana Desert at Skardu, Gilgit Baltistan in Pakistan. This desert is also known as the coldest desert. The third desert is the hottest desert in Pakistan. Sahara is the hottest and largest desert of the world, which is the highest peak of the Himalayas range in Pakistan. Nanga Parbat, law of magnet induction proposed by Michael Faraday. Anwar Sadat was the president of Egypt. Ashgabat is the capital of Turkmenistan. Who is the current president of Iran? Ibrahim Raisi. Faint heart never won fair lady. Won is which part of speech? It is verb. Zika virus is a mosquito-borne virus first identified in Uganda. Who among the following proposed laws of planetary motion? Johannes Kepler. Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Some repeated question. Quaid-e-Azam addressed on 11 August 1947. Quaid-e-Azam became President Speaker of Constitution Assembly on 11th August 1947 when Pakistani flag was also approved placed. Next, first President of the Constituent Assembly is Quaid-e-Azam. First Deputy President was Maulvi Tamizuddin Khan. Members of Constituent Assembly was 69, later increased 10, then total members were 79. Dissolved on October 24, 1954, the first Constituent Assembly lasted for 7 years, 1947 to 1954. Name the bill which was passed by the first Constitution Assembly. That is 1 यूनिट. फिदिया वो माल है जो किसी कैदी को आज़ाद करने पर लिया जाए. जजिया वो टैक्स है जो गैर मुस्लिम से इस्लामी मुल्क में रहने के लिए उनकी हिफाजत के लिए लिया जाए. खराज गैर मुस्लिमों की काबिल काश ज़मीनों से वसूल किया जाने वाला टैक्स. जजिया ज़मीनों की हिफाजत के लिए लिया जाने वाला टैक्स. अशर मुसलमानों से ज़मीनों की पैदावार पर लिया जाने वाला टैक्स. अशूर मुसलमान और गैर मुस्लिमों से लिया जाने वाला तजारती टैक्स. ज़राइब हंगामी टैक्स जो सबसे लिया जाता है. नवायब हालत जंग या किसी ख़ास सूरत में मालदारों से लिया जाने वाला टैक्स. सम MCQs अबाउट पाकिस्तान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस. आइन पाकिस्तान का पहला आइन 23 मार्च 1956 को हुआ. दूसरा आइन 8 जून 1966 को आया. तीसरा आइन 14 अगस्त 1973 को आया. पहले आइन में आर्टिकल 234 थे. दूसरे आइन में आर्टिकल 250 थे. तीसरे आइन में आर्टिकल 280 थे. इन ह्यूमन बॉडी flat bone are found in skull. If there were no atmosphere the color of the sky would be black. Contours are line connecting place having equal height. White goods are durable consumption goods. America Cup is associated with the Yaching. Aden is a part city of Yemen. The old name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon. Who was the teacher of Alexander the Great? Aristotle. Tides in the ocean are caused by gravitational attraction of the sun and moon. Golden City Airlines is the name of airline of Austria. The playground for playing baseball is called diamond. Senkaku Island are disputed between the countries China, Taiwan and Japan. Which Mughal emperor was patron and player of polo? Akbar. Siam is the old name of Thailand. The French Revolution began in the year 1789. Who wrote the Communist Manifesto? Karl Marx. Some important MCQs about rivers. Red River is located in which country? USA. Blue River is located in USA. Green River is located in USA. White River is located in USA. Black River is located in Jamaica, which is in Africa. Pink River is located in Canada. Golden River is located in Canada. Silver River is located in USA. Yellow River is located in China. Orange River is located in South Africa. Financial Action Task Force FATF was founded in year 1989. Financial Action Task Force. Some explanation. It was formed in 1989. Headquarters is Paris in France. Memberships. How many countries are membership? 39. Official language are French and English. Some important MCQs. Durand line 2611 किलोमीटर इसकी लेंथ है. रेड क्लिफ लाइन 2100 किलोमीटर. कोस्टल लाइन 1058 किलोमीटर. LOC लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल 862 किलोमीटर. वर्किंग बाउंड्री 202 किलोमीटर. पाक ईरान बॉर्डर 909 किलोमीटर. पाक चाइना बॉर्डर 599 किलोमीटर. सर क्रीक 24th line 96 kilometer. These are official length of Pakistan boundaries. The Katpana desert at Skardu, Gilgit-Baltistan in Pakistan. This desert is also known as the cold desert. The third desert is the hottest desert in Pakistan. Sahara is the hottest and the largest desert of the world. Hangol river is situated in which province? Balochistan. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhis salam was born in Iraq. Where is Taj Mahal located? Agra. WW stand for World Wide Web. The Vinci Code is famous novel written by Dan Brown. Bala Hisar is situated at Peshawar. The most abundant mineral in the human body is calcium. Some culture days related MCQs. Baloch culture day 2nd March. Pashto culture day 23rd September. Saraiki culture day 6 March. Punjabi culture day 14 March. Sindhi culture day 1st Sunday of December. The MCQs about UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Pakistan. There are 6 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Pakistan. Archaeological ruins at Mohenjo-daro, Larkana. Buddhist ruins of Takhte-Bahi and neighboring city remains at Sahre-Bahlol. Fort and Shalamar Gardens in Lahore. Historical monuments at Makli, Thatta, Rohtas Fort at Jehlam, Texla. उर्दू की तवील तरीन नज़्म बदुजज़र इस्लाम. उर्दू की दुनिया की तवील तरीन नज़्म महाभारत. मोटर पुलिस. ठीक है. फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स चार्ल्स बेबेज. फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस एलन ट्यूरिंग. मदर ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस एडा Lovelace. Father of internet Windsurf. Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. The Suez Canal separates the African continent from Asia. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869. The length of Suez Canal is 193 kilometers. On 1956, Egyptian President Jamal Abdel Nasser announced the nationalization of the Suez Canal. गज़वा बदर के बाद सूरह अनफाल नाज़िल हुई. गज़वा अहद के बाद सूरह निसा नाज़िल हुई. गज़वा अहज़ाब के बाद सूरह अहज़ाब नाज़िल हुई. गज़वा बनु मुस्तलिक के बाद सूरह नूर नाज़िल हुई. गज़वा तबूक के बाद सूरह तौबा नाज़िल हुई. हज़रत हारिस बिन हाला रज़ियल्लाहु ताला is the first male shaheed of Islam. Samia became the first ever shaheed in Islam. Samia's husband Yasir became the second shaheed in men. He was overall man and woman third shaheed in Islam. Hazrat Hamza accepted Islam in Rajab 6 Nabi after 3 days. Hazrat Umar accepted Islam in Rajab 6 Nabi. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid 8 Hijri. Hazrat Umar divided empire into initially in 8 provinces, later on 11 provinces. Hazrat Umar Hazrat Usman divided into 15 provinces. Hazrat Haris bin Hala is the first male shaheed of Islam. Samia became the first ever shaheed in Islam. Samia's husband Yasir became the second shaheed in man. He was the overall man and woman third shaheed in Islam. Freedom movement started in Kashmir 1931. Paris on the bank of Seine River. London on the bank of Thames River. New York on the land of Hudson River. Vienna on the bank of Danube River. Rome on the bank of Tiber River. Washington DC on the bank of Potomac River. Baghdad on the bank of Tigris River. आप बेती से क्या मुराद है? जिसमें कोई शख्स अपनी ज़ाती ज़िंदगी के तजर्बात तहरीर के सवाना निगारी किसे कहा जाता है, जिसमें मुसन्निफ़ किसी दूसरी शख्सियत के हालात ज़िंदगी बयान करे किसी तकरीब जैसे या वाक़ये का आंखों देखा हाल बयान करने को क्या कहा जाता है? रुदाद नवीसी। कसीदा किसे कहते हैं जिसमें किसी ज़िंदा इंसान की तारीफ़ कीजिए? मरसिया से क्या मुराद है? जिसमें शायर किसी की वफ़ात पर गम का इजहार करे। गज़ल के मानी क्या है? औरतों से बातें करना। गमतला से बस्तला किसे कहा जाता है? गज़ल का पहला शेर मतला कहलाता है। मक्ता किसे कहते हैं? आखिरी शेर को उसमें अक्सर शायर अपना तखल्लुस से इस्तेमाल करता है, जिससे हुस्न मतला किसे कहा जाता है? मतला के बाद आने वाला शेर। बैत किसे कहते हैं? जो शेर ना मतला हो और ना ही मक्ता हो। बैतुल गज़ल किसे कहा जाता है? गज़ल के बेहतरीन शेर को। कसीदा बात साद किसकी तसनीफ़ है? हज़रत काब बिन ज़हीर रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हा की। कसीदा बुर्दा शरीफ किसकी तसनीफ़ है? इमाम शरफुद्दीन बसूरी की। उर्दू ज़बान का पहला मरकज़ कौन सा है? दहली। खुदाए सुखन किसको कहा जाता है? मीर ज़की मीर को। कैस्पियन सी इज़ सराउंडेड विद 5 कंट्रीज़। ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Iran and Kazakhstan. Only 2 countries of Central Asia are surrounded by the Caspian Sea. Ahmad Khan Kharal of Neeli Bar was a freedom fighter. The Battle of Palisi was fought in 1787 by Robert Clive against Sirajuddin. The Second World War was fought between in the year 1939 to 1945. Aden is a part of city Yemen. The headquarters of Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) is in Riyadh. Ancient city of Byzantine is today known as Istanbul. Eco Secretariat is located in Tehran. Astana is the capital city of Kazakhstan.